If you're tired of OneDrive automatically downloading files to your computer and eating up valuable disk space, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to control exactly which files stay on your device, prevent unwanted downloads, and even block others from downloading files you share. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep your PC clutter-free and your files in the cloud where they belong, all using OneDrive's built-in tools. Let's dive right in. The simplest and most flexible way to keep files off your computer is using OneDrive Files on Demand feature. Here, how to get started. First, look at your computer's taskbar down by your clock. You'll see a little cloud icon. That's the OneDrive app. Give it a click, and when the window pops open, click the gear icon. This is where all your settings live. Now choose Settings from that little menu. This brings you to a new window. Find the Sync and Backup tab. It might take a moment to appear. Just be patient, and then expand the Advanced Settings section. Under Files on Demand, you'll see an option called Free Up Disk Space. When you click this, OneDrive will switch all your locally downloaded files to cloud-only status. What that means is, instead of the files sitting on your hard drive, you'll see a little cloud icon next to each file. These files are now just shortcuts. They aren't using any space on your device until you actually need them. The first time you access one, OneDrive will quietly download it for you, but until then, you keep your space free for other things. Now, say you don't even want certain folders to show up on your PC at all. No problem, just go back to OneDrive settings, choose the Account tab, and click Choose Folders. Here you'll see a list of all your OneDrive folders. If there are any you don't need on this particular computer, maybe they're archives you rarely access or work files you use elsewhere, just uncheck the boxes for those folders, then hit OK. Those folders will disappear from your File Explorer, and OneDrive won't download them at all. It's a great way to tailor your syncing and keep only what's relevant at your fingertips. Sometimes you might want to temporarily stop all syncing, maybe while you're on a metered Wi-Fi or working with limited bandwidth. Right-click on the OneDrive cloud icon again and choose Pause Syncing. Here you can pause for 2, 8, or 24 hours. Don't worry if you change your mind, just resume syncing whenever you like and OneDrive picks up right where it left off. If you ever decide you want to fully disconnect OneDrive from your PC, all syncing paused or otherwise, just open Settings, go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. This severs the connection entirely. You're not deleting your files, they'll all stay safely in the cloud, but your computer won't download anything new. Now here's one more handy tip. What if you're sharing a file and you want to make absolutely sure no one can download a copy, only view it? In OneDrive, just find your file, click Share, and when you see the sharing options pop up, click the link settings, look for anyone with the link can edit or something similar. Uncheck Allow Editing and turn on Block Download. Now, when you send the link, they can view the file but can't download it. This is perfect for sensitive documents you want to keep in your control, and there you go. By following these steps, you're taking charge of your disk space, your bandwidth, and your file security with OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I read every one and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.